Wala ka naman talaga kasing pwede pang makontrol kundi yung mga bagay-bagay na yun, di ba? You cannot control kung magkano ang kikitain mo. You cannot define that, di ba? You can be optimistic about that, di ba? Pero, of course, you can never parang asahan yun na ganun yung mangyayari. The only thing that you can control is you can accept na you could lose this span of time, di ba? And that's the main thing naman on running any business, di ba? Alam mo yun. Number one, of course, is the money management, di ba? Because, of course, kapag sablay ang pag-aayos mo ng kaperahan mo, di ba, sa iyong negosyo, wala talaga. You will overspend. You will overtrade. It's parallel palagi sa good business practices, di ba? So, trading will always be parallel dun sa mga good trading practices. So, ayun, yung money management, of course, yung backtesting data mo because wala namang negosyo na aasa ka lang nabebenta di ba? You need some historical proof na pwedeng mangyari. You need some historical proof that this concept is profitable, di ba? Or this concept can be a feasible na strategy for you, di ba? So, number two, that's the thing that you can control. And number three, of course, the goal is to keep the lights open, keep the aircon running, keep your business operating. Yun naman yung parang isang kailangan mong i-controlin di ba? We can never depend on the profits na pwede nating makuha, di ba? We can only hope. Ang natatangi lang talaga nating pwedeng magawa doon is number one, to prolong yung accounts natin, di ba? To keep that trading account running, di ba? And of course, you can do that by implementing yung good money management practices, di ba? With any business naman di ba? So, our goal is to catch yung potential na pwede nating magawa di ba? Yun yung goal natin. So, how can we catch that move or whatever man yung trade na yon if yung account natin is wala na. Di ba? If yung negosyo natin is sarado na, if yung negosyo natin is bankrupt na, di ba? Alam mo yun? And you can achieve that by focusing more on the money management Don't focus kasi doon sa mga bagay-bagay na we cannot control naman talaga. The profits, you cannot control that in trading. Of course not. If someone says na kaya nilang kontrolin nyo na pwede sila mag-project, that's BS na. Wala na agad yun. Trading and normal businesses, actually, is just parang a scaled-down version ng mga corporate businesses, di ba? So, it will always be parallel. And yung mga good business practices that works on a corporate or kahit yung mga maliliit na level na businesses will also work doon sa trading natin, di ba? Sa trading practices natin. So, yun lang naman.